All right, back to this Ducane. I think that's how you said it. Ducane furnace. I have to work on this probably every year. There's always something going on to it. But it's not cutting on at all. And I know years ago when I couldn't get anything to work, my HVAC guy, I'm not a HVAC repairman, I just repair my own stuff. And my HVAC guy was telling me, you know, if all the symptoms I was having before, he said I might have a bird stuck up in the blower. So he say turn this thing here, which is I guess the fan, and it's not moving, which gave him the idea like maybe it's a bird in there. So I'm gonna try that again. Before I did it, it worked. It was a bird in there, and I never put a cap on the chimney because I can't get up there. So let's try this. Take this fan off and see if we got a bird in here. We'll take it out and we'll turn the furnace back on, see if it works. So usually what I would do, I would take this duct off here, which is a couple bolts, one, two, some bolts over here. I would take that off, and I would take the bolts off back here, here, up there, and a couple down here, one down there. These are 5/16 here. Yep, these are 5/16. So let's try to take them off. Flathead screwdriver going on the side over here. Here. Got one more over here. Let's see, how can I get access to that? I have to take this off. This off here. I'll move this out the way here. Move this out the way. So I moved this out the way, took it off the bracket here. I got this one screw to get out here. Back that off. Okay. Yep, there go the bird. See the bird? See the feathers? Yep, in there. Wow. So it comes down through the chimney, and I don't have a cap on my chimney to stop him. So I'm gonna continue to take this piece off, pull that off, and take the bird out, put it back together. Yep, he up in there. Bird feathers. I wonder if I could just pull them out right there. Crusty, crusty. All right, let's see if I can pull him out here. Got my pliers. Let's turn the fan. See if you loosen up. But wait, oh. I'll pluck some feathers. Tell her how long you been up in there. You kind of crusty, but I don't see no maggots or nothing. Or do I? See something. Turn it loose. There you go. There you go. Yeah, he's still. He's been in there for a while. He's been in there for a while. He done decayed already. Been in there for a while. See if it'll turn. See if I can get rid of this. Take this feather off. I still might have to take this off to clean it out. Maybe some other body parts in there still. Oh yeah, something stuck. Yeah, I might have to take it apart. like a leg or something stuck. Yeah, you know what? Let me go ahead and finish taking it apart. I'm gonna take this bolt here. If you can see this bolt there, and the bolt on the bottom. Hopefully I can reach them all with my drill. So to go on the drills, these are usually 1/4 inch. Perfect. Oh yeah. Can I get it with that? Yeah, that worked. That worked. Let's see, old buddy. Let's take this, disconnect this, which I should have did ahead of time. These wires here, and we'll take it off and see what's left stuck up in there. All right, I'm gonna clean this out, then I'll put it back together. All the little bird parts in there, feathers and such. Brought it up to my shop so I can blow it out real good. Got the little bird foot caught up in there. All right, come on out. There we go. That's it. So I got this all cleared out. All the little bird parts, feathers and legs. That was all up in there. I got that out. And I'm gonna go ahead and shop vac all the stuff up in here and put it back together. Now put it back in good. Just real quick. In there, swoosh. Put this back over here. And let's go. We can just back that down here. There we go. Come on. There we go. Okay. Turn my switch back on. I already got the temperature set upstairs. Let's see if it'll cut on. Now the fan's working like it's supposed to. Ooh, that sounds bad. Okay. We got the igniter working. We got fire. And then pretty soon the heat gonna come out. The gas. Okay, we're good. All because of a bird. Back running. Put the door on, be done. All right, we got heat.